here sa church kung saan kami kakasal ni Martin. Ito siya, Santuario de San Vicente de Paul. And look at this, guys. Kaya din namin pinili to. Sobrang daming parking. Like, it can park up to 100 cars, kaya hindi problem ng guests.
And it's a Sunday. It's a Sunday, so dapat maraming churchgoers, diba?
Kasi walang mass.
Oh, wala.
Kasi lunchtime.
Alright, forget what I said.
Hi guys, we're here in our church! Sneak peek!
Grabe, parking pa lang. Winner na.
Proud kami sa
Kita
parking.
Parking, oh. Park anywhere.
Pwede kang mag-football.
Pwede kang tumambay. Kung gusto mo, dito ka na uminom.
Basta isa kasi yun sa mga selling points talaga nila when we book this, na parang hindi problema yung parking kasi you can park up to 100
ikot natin,
cars.
Ikot natin. Look at that, parking space. Front pa lang yan, ha? Meron pa sa likod.
Yes, meron pa sa likod.
It's one whole football field outside. Kaya kung gusto mo, tigisa kayong kotse dumating dito, that's fine.
Actually, literally, no. If all of our guests came in with a car, kasha lahat.
150 guests, each have their own car. Yeah. I got you.
Okay, we're here kasi magsasubmit kami nung church documents namin. Ayan, may tigas sa kaming brown envelope.
It's getting real, baby.
Wala nang atrasan. Ngayon nagwalang atras.
Bigla ako napatahimik dun eh. Parang, talaga ba?
So we're gonna submit our baptismal certificate, confirmation certificate, birth certificate, certificate of no marriage, and 3 pieces ng 2x2 ID picture. Pero before that, per lunch break kasi ngayon nung parish office. So we're gonna ocular the church para makita nyo inside.
Baka malaman nila sa aking certificate of marriage, no marriage. I was previously married to a horse in Las Vegas. Mga ganun ano? May mga ganun plot twist pala, no?
So okay, clear naman. Nakakuha ka naman ng Senomar mo.
Yeah!
So wala kang previous marriage. Wala kang aaminin na previous marriage.
No.
So this is the church. Marami kasi nagtatanong saan ba yung church, anong itsura. Kasi it's not really like a well-known church. Parang siyang hidden gem. Na meron palang church dito sa Tandang Sora na ganito. So, ito siya. Santuario de San Vicente de Paul.
Oh, ha? Mukhang tinayo ng Disneyland, oh.
Oh. Nagustuhan ko siya kasi it has yung white banisters. Ayan o, yung ganyan. Gusto ko kasi yung ganyang look eh.
And then they have like light bulbs.
Oh yeah, pag gabi, maganda yan.
So, it kind of like looks like a fiesta.
Tapos, it also has like this really grand door. So, dyan ako papasok. And I'm gonna climb these stairs. Okay, let's go inside. Wala kasing mask ngayon, kaya walang tao. So, meron muna siyang ganito. Yan. And then, this is the main hall. Oh, they have so many mics.
Oh my god.
So this is it, guys.
Look, so it's like an amphitheater. See,
yeah.
It's going down.
Yeah.
So this is like level. Yeah.
Yeah, in level.
That's the level. So it's going down. So everyone can see what's going on.
Yeah. Yun yung unique sa kanya. Yung style niya.
And look how wide it is.
And it's so wide. Look at this.
We can upgrade to 3,000 guests. Kakasya pa rin.
Yeah, sobrang laki niya talaga. It can fit so many guests. Yeah. And very minimalist lang siya. Modern church.
Kaya to our guests, sama nyo na yung barangay nyo.
No! Sama yung barangay. Kaya nga tayo nagpa-RSVP.
Oh, like, you know.
Hanggang church lang sa reception.
Oh, hindi, paghati-hatian nila yung food. Pwede mong...
Hindi kasya mawawalan kang dance floor.
Pwede mong himayin.
Yung dance floor mo.
Salit-salit.
Shifting. On next
shifting.
batch. And it's very high ceiling. So yeah, now our guests know what to expect when they come here. So pag hindi ganito yung simbahan na napuntahan nyo, mali yung napuntahan yung simbahan. We're going to have a choir sa wedding. Yung choir nung brother ni Martin, si Kuya Tristan. Yung City of Voices. And inocular lang namin kung ano yung available equipment para we can tell them, para alam nila ano yung meron, and we know ano yung kailangan nila and what we need to request from our lights and sound. So, ayan, mga wedding tasks. Here's another view. Ayan o, para siyang amphitheater. Pababa siya. Tapos, para siyang half circle. Yan si Martin, nire-record niya yung mga equipment. And then, to go to our reception venue. So, ayan yung altar. Sa both sides, merong door.
So, one here and one on the other side.
And one doon on the other side. So, lulusot lang kayo dyan.
Welcome.
Lead the way.
Let's eat.
Let's eat. Okay, so tapos na yung picture-picture. So, you just go through here. And then, dito na yung lobby ng Bulwagang San Vicente. So, this is the back of the church. And then yan, merong stairs. Although, hindi ito, pang caterer daw yan. There. So, that stairs, you just go up there. And yan yung paakyat dun sa Bulwagang San Vicente. Ito yung parish office. Pero nakalagay closed. Paakyat tayo dito sa Bulwagan.
Yes, so for the guest, dito ang daan.
Yes.
So,
wag sa kabila, for caterer yun.
Parang if you're facing Jesus Christ and cross, it's on the left side. Coming from the church, it's from the right side. Look at that.
Tada!
Welcome.
Welcome to the Custodio Yalong Nuptials.
See, ito is so big.
Is it?
It is. Oh. See? Look at that.
And nagustuhan ko to kasi all white siya. Which is in theme. Which sa gusto ko. And that. Tsaka the beams. I love the beams. Siyempre, mapupuno to ng tables and chairs and decor. Yan, all the way there. It's all white with beams. Yan. Tapos na kami doon sa church office. Hindi ko na binidyo, pero super bait ni Ate Ming.
Yes.
Hi, Ate Ming. Siya yung nandun sa parish office. Tapos tinanong namin kung pwede kaming umakyat dito. Tapos pwede daw, nakabukas daw.
Yes.
Ta-da! And then, meron din siyang outdoor area. Usually, smoking area daw yan. Or, you know, if you wanna get away from the air condition, chika-chika sa labas. So, you can also stay there. And ayan, I love the white banisters.
Yeah. So, it's better that they do it in the middle. No. Instead of waiting them to get in front. Para tuloy-tuloy lang your turn. Right?
Yeah, but only in the middle. Call for the next one.
And plus, you're not going to pass here. You're going to pass here. Go in here.
Yeah,
There's a table here, plus this is the sound system right here.
oh my gosh, guys. This is where I'm gonna walk. Practice. Wait, paano?
So, tumitingin sa camera. Very...
Narcissist pala.
So it's really going down. So it's really hard to walk. No?
Yeah. So, sa mga maglalakad to our mga principal sponsors, ganyan, entourage, make sure to wear comfortable shoes kasi pababa talaga siya. So, pwede kayong madulas. I mean, kasi matapilok ganyan.
Ako, I would like to take my time. Ako, look how I'll do it.
Parang sobrang bagal. Ganyan kabagal? Ganyan kabagal, totoo. Wow, saying hi to the guests. Ang arte naman ng groom na to, feeling star. Ang kulit. So guys, abangan nyo, ganun daw si Martin maglalakad.
Yeah, para to greet everyone na rin. Ganyan. So, bagal-bagal naman. Take your time. It's gonna only happen once.
I know.
In your life. So, take your time.
So that's it for our church errands today. And then tomorrow naman, City Hall na to get our marriage license.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Hindi ba?
Yeah.
Monday.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's not in our calendar, no?
No, but I told you. Parang sabi ko lang, gusto mo sa Monday ano na tayo, City Hall, gano'n.
Sure. Sure. Okay.
Pero kung ayaw mo pa.
No, okay, let's go.
Okay, kasi nga, na-paranoid ako na baka, may mga iba palang kailangan, ganyan.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Okay, so yan. See you on our next errand. Yeah. Nag-drive-thru kami ng coffee. I got pumpkin spice latte. Basta may pumpkin spice latte. Excited na ako. First of the season. Kasama talaga sa agenda namin to. Sabi ko kay Martin, we have to get Starbucks kasi baka maubusan na ng pumpkin spice latte. So, kailangan makainom na ako kahit isa before it runs out. Hi guys! Another day, another wedding errand!
Yeah! So it's an experience. And we did our pre-K na.
Yeah!
So thank you, Father Rolly. It's done.
Yes! Kasi meron talagang pre-K na seminar dapat dun sa church where we're gonna get married. Kaso, coincidentally, October 27, I have a work trip to Boracay. Yes, it's a work trip. Kahit na Boracay. So, hindi ako pwede. And yung next daw nila, baka January na. So sabi ng church, we can get pre-K na seminar sa ibang church as long as we get a certificate. Tapos yun na lang isubmit namin sa kanila. So, nakakuha na lang kami ng ibang pre-K na. So, thank you, Father Rolly. So, anong takeaway mo dun sa pre-K na seminar natin?
It's a reflection of how knowledgeable you are with religion and Catholicism. Kasi we were tested as well.
Na-stress ako. Memorize ko yun noon, nung grade school ako. Tapos nakalimutan ko na lahat.
As simple as how many books are there in the Bible.
No, hindi. Kaya nga, parts na lang daw, sabi ni Father. Sa ilan nakakati ang Bible? And I was like, Father, books? And he said, hindi, wag mo nang pahirapan yung sarili mo.
Old and
New Testament na lang. Mga ganon. What is the meaning of Emmanuel? What is sacrament? What is sin?
So our pre-K na is really more of how things started. All the way to the giving birth of the 7 sacraments. And the sacrament of matrimony. And then also how life came to be. And how we became, you know, Adam and Eve. And then the creation of things. So it's nice to go back to it kasi it takes you back to why you want to get married. And like it also, you know, makes you ask yourself, are you really ready for this kind of journey or vocation?
Covenant.
Kind of covenant.
Yeah.
Ganon. So parang galing ah. I mean, kasi when we were kids, you know, learning about all these things, we never thought about these, you know, when we were studying it. But now that you are applying it in real life, it all makes sense now.
Yun yung gist nung pre-K na seminar namin. So, sure ka na ba? Walang divorce. Are you sure that we're gonna be together daw till death do us part?
Dahil ikaw ay nanggaling sa aking tadyang. Yes.
Yun yung favorite ni Martin na Eve came from Adam's rib. Yung second creation story.
Go back to it.
balik na kasi your rib. So there's another thing ticked off our wedding errands, wedding things to do. Now we're on our way to BGC to pick up the iPhone 16. 16 naman.
Yeah.
16 Plus.
Ayan, so advance ano ka na yan? Christmas gift, advance wedding gift.
Advance everything.
So, wala ka nangihingin sa akin, ha?
No. Just your commitment. Wow.
It's recorded like that, ha? It's recorded like that. Pag ikaw nagtampo sa akin that you're not opening anything.
I'll open the box again. The iPhone box. Yeah, pero gawain na namin ni Martin yan na ayaw kasi niya yung nalulumaan ng phone. He would get me a new phone and then my phone will go to him. Thank you so much!
You're welcome. Anytime. Pero dapat bagong phone di ba dapat sa akin? Tapos
Sabi mo kasi I use it more for videos and stuff.
Sige, gift ko na lang sa'yo yun as for completing our seminars and all that.
Sabihin ng lahat, sana all magsa-seminar lang tapos may bago ng phone. May ano ba mga pwedeng attendan na seminar?
Uy, mas marami akong sinagot pala sa'yo, ha?
Hindi
I have.
Ako talaga, yung half part ako yung sumagot ng lahat.
Because his eyes were on you. Pero I know the answer already here. It's already here.
Okay.
It's about to come out of my mouth na lang.
Oh, kasi nga dahil one-on-one siya with Father Rolly. So talagang very interactive. Talagang may Q&A, ganon.
Yeah.
May mga nasagot kami, may mga hindi kami nasagot.
First question pa lang talo na eh.
What is sacrament? Google nga natin. We're now here at the Loop. So we're in line to claim the iPhone. Pero pre-order naman na ni Martin. So i-claim na lang. Okay guys, so sobrang tagal ng line dun sa The Loop. Parang 1 hour na kami doon, tas halfway pa lang siya. So, bumili muna akong Jamba Juice because I'm getting hangry. So, sabi ni Martin, bili daw muna akong Jamba Juice. So, ayan, I got Jamba Juice and a bagel. And I'm gonna go back there. Share na kami dito kasi it's a 30 ounce, so it's okay.
Eating in line.
Eating in line.
Gang selected.
Natakpan na si Martin. Papa-set up lang namin. Papa-check and set up. Tapos may kasama siyang 10K worth of freebies.
Pwede nyo yan naman para ma-check lang natin yung screen. Sige pa, pwede nyo rin pong i-power on kung gusto nyo. Then shutdown nyo na lang po para sa setup later.
We're having late lunch at Shake Shack and this is what we got. I got chicken shack, Martin got shroom burger, tapos to try namin for the first time chicken bites, and their crinkle fries. Ang sarap na itong chicken bites. First time trying it. It's like chicken nuggets. Pero chicken fillet talaga. It's not like processed chicken. Crinkle fries. And then I got chicken chow. It's their chicken fillet burger. Okay, we're just gonna eat and then we're done with our errands today.